sorry, I didn't say anything. I thought I was. Sorry, I thought that I was picture taken. Okay, I'm on video. I forgot. I should be saying something. Hello everyone. Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. First of all, I want to wish you all a Happy New Year. I am Somjit. The story says from the first subscriber since 2016. Home Cooking with Somjit has one subscriber from my friend, the first subscriber. And today we have received 100,000 subscribers. And this is the plate. I am so happy to receive this. Without all my subscribers, Home Cooking with Somjit will not be as today. And I'm going to unbox this plate together with all of you. Let's celebrate our happiness together. Let's open this. Drum roll! Ta-da-da! Let's do it together. Some music, please. Ha 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 ha. So, it's a letter. Ta-da! And Home Cooking with Somjit. I'm holding it so gentle. I'm so excited. You guys see? I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers from YouTube and to make this happen. 100,000 subscribers meant a lot to me. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Alright, I have decided I'm going to put it in my kitchen. Let's hang it. Let's put it here. This is the perfect place to put. Yay! I would like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy and prosperous 2024. And upcoming year, Home Cooking with Somjit has planned a few projects. Stay tuned for the excitement. Bye! Bye everyone!